Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So now we are back, and look at this, we are here already. Notice, so now these look like little leaves, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do these right here. That's our fourth row, and that's where the nice pattern is going to come in. So let's go ahead and start the fourth row. So I've decided to create a pattern for this, and I'll probably put it on Etsy, so you can go ahead and get that on that platform. Maybe a little bit easier for you to look at something as you follow along with the video. So let's go ahead and start that fourth row. Alright, so what I usually do, what I like to do, is to make sure all my stitches are in this loop right here. So what I'll do is just make an extra stitch right here. All right, so we are all in here, right? So let's go ahead and make 4 stitches. Of course, you know we have to do those first 3 chains, right? So 1, 2, and 3. That's your first stitch. Go under the lead, go under this loop right here, grab the lead, of course, pull through, go through the first 2 loops, and then go back to the lead, pull through the second. We need 4 of these, so we're going to go back to the lead, under, grab, pull through 2, under, make sure your thread is under the hook. You know this by now. You have 3. Back to the lead, under our little loop, pull that thread under, go through the first 2, back to the lead, go through the second 2. All right, now we're going to make another 5 chains right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Under the lead, pull through 1, under the lead thread, pull through 2, under the lead thread, pull through 3, under the lead, pull through 4, 1 more, under the lead, and pull through 5. Again, we go under the lead. We're going to make that first stitch again, because this loop is going to be separating these. So we go under, pull the lead, pull through first 2, and under the lead again, pull through second 2, back to the lead, under, pull the lead, and you have 3 right here, of course, pull through, back to the lead, pull through. And there you have it. All right, this is looking pretty good. Again, we need that 1 extra stitch, 1 extra chain right there. Go back to the lead, and we are going to make this stitch between, not under any chains, but between. So we're going to go under this is the first empty space, second empty space, third empty space. So we're going under that that second empty space. So go under, grab the lead, pull that up, again, pull through 2, pull through 2. All right, make that extra chain as usual, and we're going to go back. So we're going to start this all over again. So we go under this loop right here, this big open space, pull through, and again. Back to the lead, under, grab, pull through 2, again, pull through, under the lead, ooh, grab, all right, again we need to make 5 chains, so let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more, 5. All right, so under the lead thread again, under your loop, grab the lead, you know the drill by now, pull through those first 2, go back to the lead, pull through. How is that looking? Are we getting there? Let's continue. Under, grab, and pull through, back to the lead, pull through, under, grab, under your lead, pull through, under your lead, pull through, one more, under your lead, under that loop, pull the lead, and again. That's looking pretty good. Now again we do that extra chain under the lead. Remember, we're going to the second empty space. 1, 2, and 3. We go under here, grab the lead, pull through, and again pull through. And I think you get the gist by now, so go ahead and complete this circle, and when we come back we will close it off. And we're back to close off the 5th row. I think that is 1, 2, 3, 4th, the 4th row. Wow, so that's what it looks like. And I think it's coming along nicely, looking pretty gorgeous. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So you know by now you have to make 5 chains here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more, 5. Go back to your lead. We go under this big loop here. We're completing. We have to do 4 more of these. All right, look at that. That's looking pretty good. Again, we make that extra stitch, right? That extra chain. We make that extra chain because we have to keep creating those spaces. Under, go the middle. Remember, 1, 2, 3. We go in under into this space right here. Go under. Pull the thread through, all right, make that extra chain again. So on the 3rd chain we will push the needle through, make sure there's enough space, grab the lead, pull it through, and let's close it. Under the lead and pull through both chains. And there you have it. Your fourth row is complete. And when we come back, we will go ahead and start the fifth row.